Hello, and welcome to Trobolo.com.
We are Elfie and Patrick, and we would like to show you what urine diverting toilets are, how they work, and which benefits they offer to you and the environment.
Compared to ordinary toilets, a urine diverting toilet from Trobolo does not require any water to function, which makes your Trobolo perfect for use in your garden, tiny house, camper van, or truck, and virtually any public place without access to sewage systems. Since the unpleasant odor only occurs when urine and solids mix, 2 different containers are used in your Trobolo to separate them. Just add a little litter to the solids container after using the toilet. You will be amazed by the absence of odors in your urine diverting toilet. And should the Trobolo be used more frequently, you might want to consider getting a model with an exhaust system. Some Trobolo models can be upgraded accordingly to meet these requirements.
For all DIY fans, Trobolo can also provide you with the important components, such as the practical Trobolo urine diverting insert, or even complete kits to build your own. Why not try assembling your own urine diverting toilet via the online configurator with just a few clicks? It's super easy and great fun. Emptying your Trobolo is easy and hygienic. Just remove the full collection container and close it airtight using the included cap. Sounds simple, doesn't it? It is. Not only does Trobolo actively contribute to the protection of our planet through its sustainable and FSC certified production, unlike most mobile toilet cabins and camping toilets, Trobolos work without water and chemicals.
You can use your urine diluted with water as an organic fertilizer and compost the solids together with toilet paper and Trobolo's eco-friendly inlays to produce humus. Or you can simply toss the contents of the solid waste container, like used nappies, into the normal waste bin.
You can then clean your Trobolo with a cloth and a little detergent.
Simple, self-sufficient, and sustainable. That's Trobolo, a clean solution.
Subscribe to the Trobolo YouTube channel for more information, or check out our FAQs. Speak soon. I'm Elfie.
And I'm Patrick.